Yep, definitely another winter storm. This is the Farmington Hills and Novi area. All these areas here. That's when the winter storm warning is taking place. As you can see, it said heavy wet snow expected 6 to 10 inches or even a foot. It didn't say that. But there would be 2 inches per hour. That's what they said. Winds gust as high as 35 to 45 miles per hour. So you see it's happening in Livingston, Oakland, Macomb, St. Clair, Washtenaw, Wayne, Lenawee, and Monroe counties. From Friday afternoon through late Friday night. Impacts. If you want to travel, plan on rapid deterioration during late afternoon. The hazardous conditions will impact the evening commute. See? 2+ inches per hour. Some isolated power outages may happen. Alright guys, it is snowing like crazy right now. I'm trying to cross the road right now, but it is snowing like crazy, dude. Oh my god, I think that's my grandma over there. But oh my goodness, it is snowing like crazy. Wow! I'm gonna get in my grandma's car. Yeah, that's my grandma. I definitely see her face. I don't know who else is in there that could be. Yeah, that's Swari. Hello. It's snowing like crazy out there. Oh my goodness. Wow. Snowing like crazy today. Guys, it is snowing like crazy. Oh my god. So concerned that the power lines may fall. They're kind of coated with lots of snow. And it's getting colder and colder and colder. Look at this. Oh my god. This is like a historical storm. This is like a historical winter storm. Everything is covered in snow. Look at this. Very comfortable view. But everything is covered in snow. Oh my god. It finally came. It finally came. Yo, it finally came. I cannot believe it. This is just awesome amount of snow I'm seeing here right now. I cannot believe the snow that is out here. Guys, this is an insane amount of snow falling on the ground today. It is March 3rd, 2023. And I cannot believe the amount of snow that is falling down. But anyways, oh my goodness. Like, look at all the snow. Look at all the snow. We are getting a lot of snow. Oh my goodness. This is awesome amount of snow. But it might tear down the power lines. So we'll see. The reinforcement broke and DTE has tried to reinforce it, but it might break again because it's not so good. But anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you when it's nighttime, so the video is not done yet. Alright, so now to continue with the video. Anyways, as you can see, everything is completely covered in snow. Because our lights were flickering, they were flickering while I was making a video. But anyway, whoa! But anyway, whoa! But anyway, whoa! Oh my god! It was a big arc. I put. Oh my god! I see fire. What? I see flames again. I see electrical flames. Look! We need to go to the front of the house. It's probably at my bedroom. Oh my gosh! There's an electrical fire. I see the electrical fire. Look, there's fire. Where? There's an electrical fire. There's an electrical fire.
Downstairs.
Look at this. There's like fire. I see it. Look. There's fire. That's not fire. I see fire.
You see
There's a fire.
there's a fire?
Yep. There's an electrical fire, guys. I'm talking to them. There's literally an electrical fire right now. I see flames. I see flames.
Wait, really?
Yes. Sorry, I'm not joking. Sorry. The fire will come back. It's an.
Oh my gosh.
Yep, it's gone. It's coming back again. Oh my god. We were literally running around the house. Yeah, this winter storm is kind of. Yeah, you hear the fire department coming. The fire department definitely coming. All right, here's a Canadian Dewhurst Pink US 91 optic. 11. Here we go. This elevator is awesome. I love the cab. Really nice. Whoa! Oh my god. We just got stuck. Oh, sorry, moving again. Oh my god. We got stuck in the elevator for a second. Might just be a guide rail issue, causing it to stay to break. Look at this. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! It's going out again. And I'm filming elevators on Roblox. Did it flicker again? It literally did. Oh no. Okay, we might get stuck in here. Oh my god! It's. Oh my god! It's. Oh my god! Doing it again. We are gonna lose power.
Look at the window.
Look out the window. It could be an explosion. Hold on, guys.
The bush.
The bush fell. Guys, like I said, we are going to urgently end the video. It actually looks very comfortable seeing this. Alright, so yeah, this is my own elevator I made, kind of 100% made. I haven't attached the guide rails yet. So let's ride this elevator. Whoa. Here's the elevator itself, as you can see. It has a very nice looking cab. Let's go up the floor. I fixed the doors. It was because it had weld, so it didn't open the elevator for some reason. I was like, I had to delete this model, but I just kept it just in case if I could fix it. See, I made this door track. We're gonna go back down to 1. I'm gonna turn that down all the way because that buzzer is so loud. Not the floor passing chime, but the button beep chime. There is no toe guard, so they have to come and install that. Because this is a Pink Cat elevator, which is this used to be my sister's channel. So now I've just, yeah, I'm gonna have to retrofit all of the elevators I could find that are Cobalt Plus in the Cortex. There's your door lock. It's actually realistic. It has those switches right there. You can see it. It's very tiny. Here we go. And you can see the door grabber. I did not make it European style. I made it American style. So, yeah. Oh, let me get some of my chocolate. One. Here we go. Let's watch out the window. But yeah, here's my own elevator I built.
Where's that?
The light did not just flicker, did it? right outside? What are we going through? Oh, it did it again. Wow. Oh, the power went out! Did you record the transformer exploding? My internet went out! They're still plowing it away. This is literally a lot of snow. So stay tuned. Give you another update. Alright guys, so as you can see, a snowplow truck right here. Well, it's actually a B10 snow lifter, so it's a Boss B10 snow lifter. So they're lifting up the snow, but anyways, yeah, the snow is starting to go down. Goodbye.
I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, and I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, can you feel it coming in the air tonight? Oh Lord, oh Lord.
I have it back. The light flickered again!